you doing here? I was very clear that you were not invited. Fine, you can hang, but do not get in my way, okay? Dressing up as Harriet's not going to scare anybody. What kind of idiot would believe she's real anyway? Oh, I'm tickling myself.
Corporate tax breaks.
All we need is a festival that will draw a crowd.
Talk about dead in the water. Whoa, poor word choice.
How are we gonna get over that?
Oh, it's cold out there.
Well, sorry, Scrap. Why can't he see? Ghosts aren't the enemy. It's okay, Ghost. You're gonna be fine.
And extreme storms.
Well, glad that's over. Guess we don't need this anymore. Ha!
I'll get the shoebox.
Oh, Reuben, we're gonna get along just